The retention ponds, which provide a home for various species of ducks and plant life, aren't the only habitat created by the restoration project. Where non-native grass once spread for acres, diverse wildlife now thrives in Upper Las Positas.
But we also have a whole different type of wetland here in the form of small vernal marshes, which are types of wetlands that don't have as much open water.
These small marshes span the entire project site, hosting plants that provide seeds, roots, and berries for native wildlife. Between the retention ponds and marshes, the restoration project created 2 acres of increasingly rare wetland habitat. But as large as it is, the Creeks Division had to spend very little to make the $2.1 million project happen.
The Creeks Division staff is always looking for grant opportunities to leverage the city's Measure B dollars with state, federal, and private foundation grant monies to construct our capital improvement projects. And in this case, the city was able to obtain a grant that covered almost the entire cost of construction of the project. So the Creeks Division paid for the design of the project, but when it came time for construction, we were able to receive grant funds to cover the cost.
In 5 years since the project's completion, new habitat continues to grow, and water quality testing demonstrates that the restoration is a success.
The water that flows off of the site actually is non-toxic, and so it's better for the areas downstream, such as the Royal Borough estuary. The amount of nutrients is decreased because of the amount of native plant growth, and so instead of those nutrients going downstream and causing problems such as algae blooms, like you'll see occasionally in the estuary, it's happening less and less because of this project.
So where that water before was moving through and picking up pollutants on its way down to a Royal Borough beach, now we capture all of that water, and all of the water is treated. So we're capturing virtually 100% of the pollution that was previously moving through the site.